So Apple decided to sue a Apple leaker. It's a way to say that out loud. Someone who leaks Apple stuff. So apparently, some YouTuber went ahead and he leaked iOS 26, which was the liquid glass. Before it came out, Apple ended up going ahead and suing him. His name is John Prosser. And as it says in this article, he is like one of the many people that apparently Apple hates. Apple hates Ming here. He is known for his supply chain research and whose leaks are more accurate than official announcements. And Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman, who also went ahead and released the roadmap for Apple. So, yeah, Apple does not like leakers. Leakers still happen. It's just the nature of the beast, It's going to keep happening forever and ever. Well, after John gets sued by Apple, on Christmas Day actually, he went ahead and released this bad boy right here, which he is claiming is the iPhone Foldable that's going to be releasing sometime next year. They said fall of 2026, and he's claiming that this is it. Which, again, he was right on iOS 26 in liquid glass. We'll see if he's right on this as well. But I'll be honest with you, it looks like a Pixel Fold, man. This looks like a Pixel 9 Pro Fold or a 10 Pro Fold. Like, if this is the phone in the end, Apple, I think you might have a lawsuit on your hand from Google. Because this thing looks almost identical to Google's phone. And it wouldn't shock me, though, to be honest, because it is a copycat industry, right? A lot of companies like to do copycat stuff at this point. But still, I will give them credit that, first off, Google, in my opinion, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, 10 Pro Fold are the best foldable phones on the planet. I love the Pixel Fold series personally. I like it better than the Z Fold 7 series or the Z Fold series. I like it better than the Oppo series. And I like it better than the OnePlus series, which is just Oppo rebranded, right? But, interestingly enough, on the inside of this phone, as it opens, look at where the camera module is. So, there's an under-display camera module in the left-hand corner of the display. Which is weird because I've seen this before from Samsung, actually. I think it was Samsung. No, it might have been the Pixel Fold 1. Where it was on the right side. So this is on the left side. Which is always weird when it's in the corner and not just like straight in the middle. But I guess, it is what it is. Beggar can't be a chooser. This is also supposed to be $2,000 or above $2,000 according to the leaks. Yeah, listen, at the end of the day, we'll see. We'll see how this all turns out. But with starting price of $2,000 with affordable iPhone, repeat past mistakes. If it starts at $2,000, which is what the Z Fold series now is, like, that went up in price. Obviously, they'll have a 256 gigabyte would be my assumption. Then a 512, and then a 1 terabyte. That would mean the 1 terabyte could be $3,000. Which also wouldn't shock me. It's Apple. Listen, at the end of the day, I am kind of surprised Apple went ahead and sued this YouTuber. It doesn't shock me completely because Samsung is like this too. They really are tight-knit when it comes to like keeping everything, to the chest. So no one finds out about their secrets or what they're releasing. And a lot of the reason is because they don't want, they want all the hype when they do go live and they do show off something. But at the same time, it's like that also leaks are like a big reason why people buy stuff. Because it like is so exciting and cool. Something gets leaked, everyone gets excited. And at the same time, if someone gets leaked and people are not excited or upset, you can kind of use that as feedback to see what you should or shouldn't do. So, it's also, different factors there. But at the same time, it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Personally speaking, I'm not buying the foldable iPhone. I'm really not. Next year, when this comes out, there's so many foldable phones I want. The Z Fold 8 looks like it's going to be an absolute home run hit, grand slam hit. The Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold looks amazing. Obviously got OnePlus Open 2, which is, being released finally next year. Then you got this, and then Motorola might come out with their own foldable cell phone. Like, there's so many options that I feel like, again, Apple, they probably should have released that this year. I feel like they should have released this phone this year. Because this year there was just simply zero options other than the Z Fold 7. So, I think it was a hit and a miss here. They're releasing this phone, first-gen product, in the most compact year humanly possible for all of these devices coming out. But, see you guys next one, though.